Stop stressing, start automating. Reclaim your financial peace of mind. Imagine this. Your bills are paid on time, every time, without lifting a finger. You're effortlessly building a savings account for your dream vacation. Your investments are growing steadily in the background. This isn't a fantasy. This is the power of automating your finances. In today's fast-paced world, juggling work, family, and personal life can feel like a never-ending race. Financial stress shouldn't add to the burden. Automating your finances is like having a personal assistant for your money, working tirelessly 24/7 to keep your financial life on track. No more missed due dates, no more late fees, and no more agonizing over spreadsheets. Automation frees up your mental energy and time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, enjoying life with your loved ones, and pursuing your passions. Ready to break free from financial stress and unlock a world of ease and control? Let's dive into the world of financial automation and discover how it can transform your relationship with money. The power couple's secret weapon: automation for shared financial goals. For couples navigating the complexities of joint finances, automation is more than just a convenience. It's a game changer. It lays the foundation for open communication, shared goals, and a sense of financial unity. Imagine this. You and your partner are saving for a down payment on your dream home. With automated transfers, a set amount is seamlessly moved from your checking accounts to your dedicated savings account each month. You'll see your progress towards your goal without any manual effort. Bill payments become a non-issue with automated systems. No more arguments about whose turn it is to pay the electricity bill or the internet bill. Automation takes care of it all, eliminating potential points of conflict and fostering harmony in your relationship. Automating your finances as a couple fosters trust, transparency, and shared responsibility. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, building a secure and fulfilling future together. Your financial dream team. Top apps to automate your money. Now that you understand the power of automation, let's introduce you to the all-star team that will make it happen: financial apps. These tools are designed to streamline your financial life and put you in the driver's seat. Empower. Empower is a robust app for managing your personal finances. It provides features such as automatic savings, budgeting tools, and spending tracking. Empower also offers personalized financial recommendations and insights based on your spending patterns. One of its standout features is the ability to negotiate bills on your behalf to save you money. The app's intuitive design makes it easy to use and stay on top of your financial goals. Why NAB? You need a budget. This highly regarded app offers a robust set of tools to help you take control of your finances. Connect all your accounts in one place, track your spending, create detailed budgets, and even set financial goals. YNAB's proactive approach to budgeting ensures you give every dollar a job, helping you build a solid financial foundation. Additionally, the app provides educational resources to improve your financial literacy and offers real-time updates on your progress. Link is in the description if you are interested. Acorns. This micro-investing app rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference automatically. It's a painless way to start investing even with small amounts. These are just a few examples of the many fantastic financial apps available. The key is to find the ones that align with your needs and financial goals. Automation made easy. Setting up your financial automation system might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. First, identify your goals. What do you want to achieve with automation? Are you saving for a down payment? Perhaps paying off debt faster? Define your goals to guide your automation strategy. Second, choose your tools. Select the financial apps that best suit your needs. Third, link your accounts. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to your chosen apps. Fourth, set up automated transfers. Schedule automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings, investment, and bill payment accounts. Finally, monitor and adjust. Regularly review your automated systems and make adjustments as needed. Ready to win with money? Join the automation revolution today. Automating your finances isn't just about convenience. It's about taking control of your money, achieving your financial goals, and building a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Don't let financial stress hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of automation and unlock a world of financial freedom and peace of mind. Want to learn more about mastering your personal finances? Visit my website and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to win with money. Or send me an email at anthony@anthonydoty.com.